Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today I will talk to you about the Rice Terraces of Shimoakasaka. Chihayaakasaka is the only village in Osaka Prefecture. Inside it, you'll find the Shimoakasaka Rice Terrace, one of Osaka's most beautiful countryside views. The Ministry of Agriculture chose it as one of the Japanese 100 best rice terraces. These terraces have a long history that goes back to the Muromachi period. They spread out below the ruins of Shimoakasaka Castle, a site connected to the samurai general Kusunoki Masashige. From the castle ruins, you can look out over the whole terrace field. One clear day, you can even see the buildings of central Osaka in the distance. This place looks different in every season. Rice planting usually starts in late May. The slope faces west, so the setting sun reflects beautifully on the water in the flooded field. Many photographers come just to capture this magical moment. In autumn, the rice turns golden and red spider lilies sometimes bloom around the terrace. Every autumn, the terrace also lit up at night, creating a drum-like scene that is very different from the daytime view. To get there, take the Kintetsu Nagano line to Tondabayashi Station, then transfer to a bus. Get off at Akasaka Chugakkomae bus stop. From there, walk up a hill from about 10 to 20 minutes to reach the terraces. The old Kongo bus line that used to serve this area stopped running in 2023. A community bus service now covers the route instead. If you drive, it takes about 30 minutes from the Habikino interchange on the Minami Hana Road. Along the way, you will pass a local farm produce stand where you can buy refresh vegetables to take home. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.